I've got the back half of the pack at the moment, keeping them under control, not to floor it. Oh, we got one down. You good? Oh, fucking. You alright?
Oh, sorry. You guys got that? Yeah. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Yeah, my leg was trapped onto that bit.
You badly hurt?
I don't know. Nothing else hurts except for my leg. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so close to just being a really easy corner.
Yeah, they're tight round it. I was literally just saying how tight these corners are. Fuck.
Yeah.
Do you reckon we could push the bike down there?
I was about to say, can we roll this onto the still?
Anything coming? Fucking hell. Cheers, guys. Do you want an ambulance or anything?
It might be broken or fractured. Or
Yeah.
I mean, I feel fine. It's just my leg.
Can you pull your trousers? You need to see if it's swelling.
I'm not sure we're going to be able to see.
It's alright. Does it feel like it's like throbbing? You can put pressure on it.
Check this. Cheers, guys. Thank you. What's up?
someone else has crashed.
Someone else?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. This is really awkward, it's really serious, we've got fucking bells going. We've had another one go.
Can you not bend it?
No, not really. I mean, I can, but...
Swelling. It will swell.
Do you want to call an ambulance, babe?
I don't know. Why don't we check for them one? Because to be fair, if we can get one lot,
I could ride home.
Are you sure?
you don't want to, because if it's
Sorry, guys.
sudden, if your jeans get tight, you'll cut circulation.
This is really fucking awkward. It's like a proper serious thing, and I've got fucking bells going. We've had another one crash down a bit further down, apparently. So, yeah. I was literally saying how tight these corners are about to be, and I was trying to hold you guys back from going fast, and that I knew someone would go. He seems alright. He's luckily my girlfriend's first aid, so so we're all good. Yeah, babe. We'll go check out on the other people. Yeah, we're gonna go now. Thank you. Are you good? Yeah. I'm just gonna go check on the other people, alright? I'll be back. Can you tell people to slow down? The car's coming. Just wave just go like that to them. There's Callum. That's Callum. Oh, babe.
He got off his back brakes going round.
You've both gone?
I'll try to around him.
Who's injured?
Most likely.
Right.
He hit
Where?
the grass on my leg.
Right, I'm just going to run up to Callum. You
Yeah.
Right. You right? I know, it's like a proper serious thing. I'm not fucking these going.
Yeah,
You right?
I'm alright, it's him, I think.
What happened?
Going around that corner up there.
Oh, really?
My back wheel locked up and he's slammed into the back of it.
That's slightly bent. That's nothing to worry. Seems alright. Seems like it hit most of the mud. Seems alright. It's not important. Think of the bikes. Think of the people. Yeah. We've had a couple here and we had that one up there. He's probably more worse off, so we've got someone dealing with that. These two guys are alright, they're just literally dirt, really. Yeah. Nice bike. Where's that peg? Go for it. Babe, I'm you. Fuck. Oh, it sounds so good. Got the bells ringing. Oh, didn't want this to happen, but fucking hell. Oh, I love it. Oh. Yeah.
Right, what's the call down the other end?
They're fine. They're all sorted. One of them's is foot peg's fallen off. He said he's ridden with no foot peg before, so he seems alright. So unfortunately we did have three crashes. We've got an ambulance coming for the guy up here who crashed in front of me. The other two are okay. I feel really bad for the one of them. Well, I feel bad for both of them, but the other guy came from all the way from London, so he's got a long way to come, and he's got no footrest either. So it's right, it didn't quite turn out how I wanted it. I wanted to be at the front at this point just to slow everyone down, because obviously I had the back half and I slowed them all down. We had no one at the front to slow them all down, so it sucks. I didn't want this to happen, but everyone's okay. This guy, we've got an ambulance going for his knee because it's a bit fucked up. Not major, but it is slightly fucked up.
Oh, yo.
How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, not bad. If you stand behind me and have a look at my
Yeah.
feet and tell me if that looks really bad. What's that? Yeah.
That definitely looks swollen. That babe. Yeah. This bit,
Yeah,
that's swollen as fuck.
doesn't feel good anymore.
No. This is.
Cracked your shin, didn't you? Yeah.
My
Well, his whole leg got crushed.
foot